Let's talk about the 3 zodiac signs that are wildly capable, but often get in their own way. First, there's Cancer. They crave success, but fear of judgment or failure can stop them from even starting. They confuse comfort with safety, even when it's keeping them stuck. Next, there's Virgo. Smart, detailed, capable, but perfectionism is the trap. If they can't do it perfectly, they delay. It's not about the details, it's about fear. And finally, Pisces. Big dreams, deep vision, but no structure. They tend to wait for everything to come together perfectly instead of taking the first step. Did you know that it's not only about your sun sign though? Your birth chart shows both your Mars and Saturn placements, which reveals how you act and what holds you back. I'm Alice, host of Following Journeys, an astrology-based series on YouTube. If you're interested in your personal patterns, get your free birth chart in the pinned comment below and talk to Alice AI, the AI astrologer version of me, trained on everything I know about astrology.